Hi, good morning. Today I will make from our own garden a red chili salad or chili sauce, whatever you want to call it. I will cut it in very fine slices with most of the seeds, and then I will put it in the bowl, and afterward I will put onions on it, a little bit oregano and lemon. Afterward you cut a half onion in small little pieces, and this one you add to your bowl where the chili slices are, and then you mix it. Then you take some lemons. I like the small lemons because this one, the small lemons, you can squeeze very good with a tool. That is especially a size for the small lemons. And then you put the juice into the bowl, and then afterwards we will get it almost finished. Now I have the lemons cut in half, and now I will express it with a small tool and put it to the bowl with the chili and the onions. Now we have all the juice from the lemons in there, in that bowl. You can see it here. And now we put a little bit oregano in it, and ready. Then we just leave it soak one day, and then the next day we have a really good chili salad. This is our chili from our own garden, a red one. I don't know the name of the chili, but it is very, very spicy. This is the other one, the smaller one, a little bit dark red. And these chilies, they are really, really spicy. I open always a little bit the window, otherwise when you cut all these chilies, the whole ambient is very hot, and you cough a lot afterwards if you don't get a little bit air circulation in the kitchen. So that is all oregano in there, and that is all what we have to do for the salad. It is very easy to make, and you have a spicy chili salad for your beans or whatever your breakfast is.